Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install Django, the web application framework for Python. You need to have Python and pip installed on your system. I'm going to use commands sudo pip or pip3 install Django and just press enter, and you need to enter the password of your computer. We have Django installed successfully on our system. I will clear the terminal, and now I'm going to create a project by using Django -admin .py and then start project, and here you need to enter the project name. I will name it my proj and just hit enter. This command will create our folder my proj, so I'm going to move into by using cd command for the change directory my proj. Now we are inside this folder, and here we can start our server typing Python. I will use Python 3 manage.py run server and just hit enter. And we can see the message over here, our development server started at this URL. We can just copy this URL and paste it in our browser. I just pasted that URL in my Chrome browser, and we are able to see Django is up and running. The install worked successfully. Congratulations. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.